Do you want big cutting power in a small, easy-to-carry package? The Miller Spectrum 875 is the industry's most portable and powerful 60-amp plasma. Spectrum offers the fastest plasma torch and work cable connection and removal in the industry. For end-user convenience, the unit has no pressure gauge or manual regulator knob. The unit automatically adjusts the air pressure to the torch for optimum cutting and gouging. No adjustments necessary. The Spectrum 60 amps provides 7/8 inch cutting capacity on mild steel and will cut even faster on thinner half-inch material. The wind tunnel technology prevents abrasive dust and particles from damaging internal components, and the fan-on-demand cooling system operates only when needed, such as in dirty or dusty environments. This lightweight machine weighs in at just 49 pounds and comes with the True Blue 3-year warranty. Try before you buy at Napotnik Welding Supplies.